Welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar, and also cooking and also different bits and pieces. Anyway, today I want to give you a lovely cucumber juice, and it's very good for us, lot of vitamin and all these things. 95% of the cucumber is just water, and the other 5% is just fiber. All right, can drink it at home. I gotta put some apple cider vinegar in it, which is even more healthier. So please stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. It's a very easy and simple juice recipe for you to make at home, guys. Enjoy it and stay nice and lovely, guys. So basically I have a medium-sized cucumber right here, as you can see it for yourself. What I'm going to do is remove the skin from it, because when you're doing this kind of drink, you don't need the skin. All right, so it is better for you to remove the skin. Just cut it up very small. Cut off another piece of the cucumber. Piece of ginger. We're going to remove the skin from the lime. Just put a whole lime in the side of it, guys. Honestly, it works really well. And let's put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just put a piece more cucumber in it, Fill it up with some cucumber. Just a little bit of liquid, not much, but quarter cup of liquid. And just blend it. Lovely and nice. Look at that. So that look good? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So as you can see, just gonna pour it inside of this. I just drink it natural like that. Artificial. See that, guys? That is lovely and nice. So please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.